Welcome to the AdPreso AI review, the revolutionary tool for ad creation. Say goodbye to the tedious process of designing ads manually. With AdPreso AI, you can create over 500 ad styles with just one prompt or URL. This AI-powered platform analyzes successful ads from more than 1,000 campaigns to deliver proven, high-converting creatives in seconds. It's user-friendly and geared for marketers, freelancers, and agency owners alike. Plus, it includes a commercial license, allowing you to create ads for clients without any design skills needed. Discover how AdPreso AI helps you to quickly generate and optimize ads across 8+ platforms, making your ad campaigns not only easier, but also more effective. If you're tired of mediocre ad performance or spending too much time on creatives, now is the time to upgrade your marketing game with AdPreso AI. Experience the future of ad creation and unlock your potential to scale smarter and faster. Check the description box for the full written review link. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and smart business tools.